Yeah, hi guys. Stephen I. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're up on a beautiful reserve called One Tree Hill in Auckland City. A beautiful spot. And right behind me, in New Zealand, I think at this point in time, it's what it's called lambing seasons. I don't know if you can see any of the little lambs in the distance there. But basically, when there's seasons, to make babies or make lambs or whatever, time waits for no one. Like sheeps, they have a specific time they tend to enjoy lambing. That means have babies. So today's story would have to be time waits for no one. Time waits for you. It does not wait for me either. So basically what we need to do is to take something that's worthy to ourselves, something that's interesting to ourselves, and of course for Mr. Ford, I suggest something that's going to be worthy in dollar signs. Most people can do a lot of things that's worthy to them, but it doesn't help them pay their bills. It's important, very, very important, that you take the time to do something that you love to do. And that thing should be something that can help pay the bills, buy a new car, buy a home, pay for world travel if you wish. And if you're anything like me, have big dreams. Have those big dreams, write them down, sing about them, do anything possible to reach those dreams. But just pick one thing, whatever that may be. Because time, it's not going to wait for you and I. I'm 64. Turned 64 in March 2023. Today's the 27th of August 2023. And as we make these videos hopefully to encourage you, take one thing and master it. I'm in this beautiful scenic reserve that's been reserved for the people, for the public to enjoy. Time waits for no one. I'm taking a walk with my wife, which is in the back here somewhere, talking to our daughter in Perth, enjoying some of this serenity of life. Doesn't take much, but that's the point. It doesn't take much to get out there and to enjoy life. There are people here enjoying themselves, taking their dogs for a walk and really, really enjoying the serenity of such place. If you don't take the time, you don't know what you're missing out. But it's really just taking the time to do something that's worthy for you. Today's all we have. Tomorrow might not come, and I'll tell you what, a lot of people waste their time worrying about yesterday, talking about yesterday, thinking about yesterday, blaming what happened in the past. So in effect, they're living in the past. Can't change the past, my friend, but we can change the future. But just taking one idea and make it your own. Doesn't matter what it is. Just copy somebody else's idea if you don't have any yourself. 2027, I wanted to be a billionaire. And I started a campaign or promotion telling the whole world I'm the new billionaire. NIU, that's how it's spelled. Basically, I was using part of the name of where I was born, Niue. It's the new billionaire. Why? It's just an idea. Take that idea, take ownership of it, start promoting that I am a billionaire. And thank God, of course, 2023 in March, perfectly on my birthday, I traded an account. This is called a short-term trading account with crypto, and took that account up to 190 billion US dollars. It's achievable. as long as you don't give up on your goals. That's the beauty of it. Goals are there for reasons. And if you don't take the time today to do something about what you really want in your life don't wait for you, my friend. You got to make the most of it. Get out there and apply some of the things that you love to do. Just copy somebody else's if you have to. But the uniqueness of having your own, it's very important. Even if you're copying it, don't matter. Just pretend you know what you're doing and know what you're talking about, perhaps. That can be quite beneficial. Start believing in yourself. That's all I did. Believed in what I wanted in the future, what I pray for, what I write about, what I'm chasing. Simple fact. Just believe in it. I'm a billionaire. Might as well tell the whole world about it. I've already shown you pictures of it, the reality of it. I traded it to what it is. The beauty of it, billionaire on paper, a beautiful thing. Now to look forward to building part of the dream in Australia and Manukau Harbour in Auckland, New Zealand. So keep an eye on how Mr. Ford is taking advantage of what he has today. So basically today, don't wait. Do something, whatever that is. Just take one idea. That's all I did. One idea. That idea was to be a billionaire. Never allowed anybody to tell me I couldn't. Because it was just an idea, and that idea belonged to me. Likewise with you. Whatever your idea is, take ownership of it. And don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Then take the time. Every day when you wake up, take the time, work towards what that idea is or whatever. Go for it. I promise you will get there, as long as you don't give up. As long as you don't listen to idiots who tell you you can't. Look for people who can tell you you can. People like me, Stephen R. Ford. Look for those people. Those people will affirm and confirm with you, yes, you can do it. It might take a while. It might take a bit of faith and self-belief. But I tell you what, you will get there. Honey, I'm calling the wife over. So as we enjoy today, up here in One Tree Hill, how's our daughter? Our daughter's in Perth. And today I'm talking to my fans about today. Time waits for nobody. And today it's the time we're just taking a walk about in One Tree Hill. A pristine reserve for the public to come and enjoy. We had a good Chinese feed in Dominion Road, so we decided we better go and walk some more. See, time we don't wait for no one. Taking advantage of that, it's one of those beautiful things. And today was one of those days we went and watched my little nephew play his final rugby. They won the seasons under 11. Another beautiful sight. So, honey, today, what do you want to do today that you always wanted to do? I'll tell you what it was. The ladies went singing karaoke a couple of nights ago. That's something. Just make the most of it. Just remember, time waits for no one, not even you and I. So make the most of every day towards what that is that you want to achieve in the future. Don't waste your time chasing things that doesn't pay any bills. You'll have a good time, but your bills will pile up. So try and do something that's going to help you pay your bills. It might be a long shot, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine, as long as you don't give up. Okay, honey, any last word?
I just think today, or any day that you have, which is today, this is the only day we have, so just make the most of it.
Indeed.
Don't let this time go to waste. Just get up and go out and do what you need to do. And that's what we're doing, like Stephen said. Just
Awesome.
go out and do what you need to do.
Awesome. Thank you. This is Stephen R4 from Mindful Fortune up in One Tree Hill, Auckland, New Zealand. We love you. God loves you. And don't forget to subscribe to my video. That means whenever I make another beautiful video in the future, you're going to get a ping on your side saying Stephen's made one of those videos. See you in my next one. Bye for now.